welcome back to another video. I'm Tiana. I'm a project manager by day and an avid card maker by night. Keep watching to see how to make this floral greeting card with yellow rhinestone accents. Shown here are the supplies that you need for this card. All of the specific items that I used will be linked in the description box below. Start by drawing out the design using your pencil. Apologies for the poor quality here, the video didn't pick up the pencil lines all that well. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. Once you have your design drawn out in pencil, the next step is to take your pink or magenta colored pen and outline all of the flowers. So essentially you're just tracing over the previously drawn pencil lines using whatever color pen you choose. The specific color of this Faber-Castell pen that I'm using here is linked down in the description box below. The next step is to take your gold pen and draw the stems of each of these flowers. I went over each of the stems twice just to make them each a little bit thicker. And once you have the flowers and their stems drawn in pen, the drawing steps of this card are complete. So what I did was I took an eraser and I just removed any of the remaining pencil lines before I glued on the rhinestones. And before gluing on the rhinestones, I always lay them out where I want them to be. And then once I'm happy with the placement, which is essentially just in the center of each of the flowers, I take my glue, and I always use a fast drying glue, and then I glue each of them on. And once you have all of your rhinestones glued on, this simple floral card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video and try making this card yourself. Thanks for watching.